Hello, today I'm going to show you how to install PIARA Lite. For that, you need to get a license. Please visit our website piarainc.com. Click Get Free PIARA, accept license agreement, provide your name, company name, and email. Agree, submit. You will need to provide your email one more time. And the license will be sent to this email. Okay, you got the license. With the license, you got installation instructions plus links to our Discord and Reddit. Let's go to the installation instructions. As you can see, you're gonna need Debian 64 bits with at least 4-core CPU, 8 GB RAM, and disk space 40 GB or more. Let's access our Debian machine. And follow the installation instructions. Let's set up apt repository. Once it's done, we can install Docker. Okay, press yes. It may take a little bit time to install Docker. Once it's installed, let's initialize swarm. Next, let's install Git. Next, let's copy installation scripts. And let's begin the installation of PIARA. Okay, first you need to provide the license that was emailed to you. Copy. And per instructions, you have an option to provide your own domain, identity name, and marking definition statements. For this tutorial, I will just use the default settings and just gonna keep pressing enter. Enter, 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 enter. Now the script will download Docker containers and will try to install PIARA on your Debian machine. At the end, it will output the URL to the PIARA plus username and passwords for the default admin user. Later you can change it, but for now let's copy and keep it. To see whether or not PIARA was installed, we can run the following command. And ideally, you should see all once, like right here. Let's see if the front end was installed. Okay, no problems with the front end. It may take up to like 10 minutes to download everything that is needed for PIARA. I will pause and come back once everything is up and running. Okay, let's see again. Beautiful. All once. Let's double check the front end. Okay. Next step is to create identity marking definition objects. It will take a few seconds. Okay, no errors. You should get IDs. Beautiful. And now you can access PIARA. Depending on your scenarios, if you use local virtual machine, you can simply click on it and default domain. But if you used any other variations, please pick the scenario for yourself. For this tutorial, I used cloud virtual machine and default domains. Therefore, I need to adjust etc. host file on my machine. I'm using Mac, So I'm going to show you how to do it on Mac. It should be similar on Linux. Windows users, please Google it. Okay, I'm gonna need to add this line at the end. So IP of the server plus the domain. I have it ready right here. And we are ready to visit PIARA. Okay, ignore this message. PIARA during the installation. The default installation uses self-signed certificates. That's why you're gonna see such message. Okay, if all goes well, we should see the login page. Wonderful. And we can use admin username and password that was provided to us by installation scripts. And congratulations, you have successfully installed PIARA. Enjoy. Thank you.